Berry and the jam thing right there. So yeah, yeah, two off two are two yeah. Eh?
Can do a whole CWD.
I've done a beer thing over here.
One good.
Yeah, one
For the
good.
two of them.
Yeah.
And then it's crazy. You used to get them for 89 cents and then
What's that?
all the seasoning I'm talking about.
Yeah.
And this used to be $1 something for the seasoning salt. Now it's almost $3. Their sweet corn is 76 cents. We just put mixed vegetable. Their mixed veg is 96 cents. So
Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Manix Robinson TV. And we are back at it again. So guys, just pull up with some items that I went to pick up for the barrels that I'm packing. One for a customer and one for a lucky individual down there in Jamaica. So I went to this supermarket that they call Aldi's. It's like a good driving distance from where I live, like probably 20 miles away. And took the family out on a little drive out. We stopped for breakfast, then we continue on the journey to pick up the items that we want. So we're gonna aim to the items then. Yo, yeah. So I didn't get to pick up everything that I wanted, but we got some good amount of stuff. Yeah, pops. No, we still gotta go back out again, but I'm gonna wait until this weekend to do it. Yeah. Yeah. The items right here. We're gonna show you guys everything that I got when I finish empty out the truck. Yeah, that is it guys. We're gonna show you, give you a closer look at what we got so far. So yeah guys, these are some of the items that I pick up today. We got a case of macaroni and cheese. We got a case of sweet corn, case of corned beef, a case of Vienna sausage, a case of spam, a case of mixed vegetable, a case of green bean. Well, not a case, you call those sleeves. Yeah, the canned stuff is what we call sleeve. And that is a case of macaroni and cheese. And over here we have some different stuff. We have raisins, we got jams, jellies, pasta, biscuit, and some other stuff. In here we have some peanut butter, some more ketchup, salad dressing, and some snacks and some sweets that the customer say they want for their kids. So those we're gonna have to get some more snacks and some more sweets because that's what they want. And those are the items that we pick up the other day. Yeah. Yeah. So looking good so far. Yeah. Looking good so far. So I think that I'm going to start to pack the barrel. Yeah. I'm going to start packing it very soon. I think I have to do one more shopping and then hopefully that will complete everything for the 2 barrels. But I'm not going to wait until I do the last one. I'm going to start to pack out the canned items. Yeah, going to start pack them out first and then we're going to work our way up and then see where we are. But we have little bit of items leave like the toiletries, toothpaste, bath soap, and then some laundry detergent, some fabric softener, and some liquid and powder detergent. You know, yeah, some people say, oh, these stuff are cheaper in Jamaica. I don't know about that. I don't know about that, guys. So anybody, you can tell me in the comment. Some people say certain stuff cheaper in Jamaica than if you buy it and send it down. Well, it depends. It depends on who you're letting buying the items or wherever the person live, and also if the person just feel as if they're gonna just go to the expensive store and buy them and put in the barrel, then it will seem expensive. But to me, comparing it, it's not cheaper, and everybody gonna have their own opinion towards it. To me, it is cheaper to pack a barrel and send it down to Jamaica than go to Jamaica and use the same money and buy the items. Even when I factor in the price for the barrel, to ship the barrel, and to clear the barrel, the money that I use to buy the barrel, pack the barrel, and ship the barrel and clear the barrel cannot get me these items in a supermarket in Jamaica. Even if I go to the Chinese store, there's no way I can go to the supermarket in Jamaica and full a barrel with the same items them that I ship. Hopefully we can start packing it this weekend, and then hopefully next week we can reach out to the shipping company, set an appointment, and then make them come pick them up and ship them off. Yeah. So, thanks again, guys, for tuning in to Manix Robinson TV. One more time, getting ready to send off 2 barrels to Jamaica, one for a customer and one for a lucky individual that have no idea that they will be getting a barrel very soon. And if you want to win a barrel in December, yes, a barrel with nice items, guys. No riffraff, no Campbell soup. You can WhatsApp message me your name and your address, and we'll be putting it in the draw. And whoever name get draw, they will be getting a barrel in December. All right. So look out for more videos, guys. We'll be uploading more videos soon. Stay tuned, stay connected, because that's how we do it on Manix Robinson TV. All right. So until I see you again, guys, you have yourself a blessed one. Peace out. Much love and respect every time. Big up yourself, Vice 39 TV. Much love, much respect. All right? I'm out.